Hey everyone! Did you know that finding hidden wood, metal, or wires inside your walls is easier than ever? Sometimes hitting the wrong spot can create a big mess, but with the right stud finder, your work becomes faster, safer, and more accurate. Today, we're checking out 5 stud finders that are easy to use and highly reliable. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. Franklin Sensor's ProSensor M210 Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensor's ProSensor M210 is one of the most accurate and reliable stud finders you can get today. It uses 13 individual sensors to locate both wood and metal studs quickly and precisely. Its wide LED display shows the entire width of the stud, including both edges and the center, so you get a complete visual layout before drilling. The M210 automatically adjusts to different wall textures and depths, scanning up to 1.7 inches deep. It also includes a live wire detection feature, keeping you safe from electrical hazards while working. Made in the USA, it's built with quality plastic housing that can handle years of use without losing accuracy. Pros: extremely accurate and fast stud detection. Simple one-button operation with instant LED readout. Cons: not suitable for concrete or brick surfaces. Who it's for: ideal for homeowners and professionals who want precise stud detection without complicated settings. Final verdict: with its combination of speed, accuracy, and safety, the Franklin M210 remains one of the best-performing stud finders on the market today. Product number 2. Walabot DIY 2 Visual Stud Finder. The Walabot DIY 2 brings innovation to the world of stud finders by allowing you to actually see what's behind your wall. It connects to your smartphone using its own Wi-Fi, displaying a real-time image of studs, metal, pipes, and live wires directly on your phone screen. It can detect objects up to 4 inches deep and works with both Android and iPhone devices. This visual approach helps prevent mistakes since you're not relying only on sound or blinking lights. The device is simple to set up and great for scanning drywall or plywood walls in homes or offices. However, it's not designed for use on concrete, tile, or plaster surfaces. Pros: visual display lets you see inside walls clearly. Works wirelessly with most smartphones. Cons: limited to drywall and plywood materials. Who it's for: perfect for tech-savvy homeowners and DIY users who want a smart, visual way to detect studs and wiring. Final verdict: if you prefer a high-tech, image-based wall scanner that shows exactly what's behind your wall, the Walabot DIY 2 is an excellent and easy-to-use choice. Product number 3. Bosch GMS 120-27 Wall Scanner. The Bosch GMS 120-27 is a professional-grade wall scanner known for its durability and precision. It detects wood, metal, and live wires behind drywall with high accuracy. The color-coded LED ring clearly indicates when you're near a stud or live wire, while the center mark helps you pinpoint the exact location. Its rugged plastic body and IP54 rated casing protect it from dust and splashes, making it perfect for tough job site conditions. The scanner can operate on standard AA batteries or an optional lithium-ion battery for longer runtime. With a simple interface and reliable feedback, it's one of the easiest tools to trust for professional construction or home use. Pros: accurate detection for wood, metal, and live wires. Durable build suitable for job site environments. Cons: may produce inconsistent readings on textured walls. Who it's for: ideal for contractors, builders, and serious DIYers who need consistent and professional detection results. Final verdict: Bosch delivers another solid performer with the GMS 120-27. Tough, dependable, and built to handle real work with precision and reliability. Product number 4. NOYAFA NF518S3 in 1 Stud Finder and Laser Measure. The NOYAFA NF518S combines 3 powerful tools into one compact device: a stud finder, a laser distance meter, and a digital level. It accurately detects wood and metal studs at depths up to 1.5 inches and can locate live AC wires up to 2 inches deep. The built-in laser measure reaches an impressive 196 feet and delivers results with high accuracy. Its 2.4-inch backlit LCD screen makes readings easy to see even in dim areas. Powered by a rechargeable Type-C battery, it's convenient for long working sessions without worrying about replacements. The digital level adds extra functionality for alignment and angle measurements, making this tool both smart and practical for daily use. Pros: 3 tools in one: stud finder, laser measure, and level. Rechargeable battery and bright LCD display. Cons: interface may feel complex for beginners. Who it's for: a great choice for professionals or advanced DIYers who want one multifunctional device for measurement and detection. Final verdict: efficient, precise, and convenient. The NOYAFA NF518S stands out as a time-saving tool that combines smart features and reliable performance in one package. Product number 5. NDI5 in-1 Stud Finder Wall Scanner. The NDI5 in-1 Wall Scanner is a versatile tool designed for multiple detection needs. It combines stud scanning, metal detection, AC wire detection, a digital level, and a laser distance meter all in one compact unit. Powered by a high-sensitivity microprocessor chip, it offers fast and accurate readings every time. The clear backlit LCD screen and audible alarm provide instant visual and sound feedback, helping you identify hidden objects with confidence. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold during extended use, while the lightweight build ensures easy portability. Whether you're mounting shelves, drilling, or wiring, this stud finder delivers accurate and reliable results without guesswork. Pros: high sensitivity with visual and sound alerts. Comfortable grip and easy-to-read LCD display. Cons: plastic casing could feel less durable over time. Who it's for: ideal for DIY homeowners and professionals who want a single tool that does multiple detection tasks with accuracy. Final verdict: compact, sensitive, and user-friendly, the NDI5 in-1 Wall Scanner offers excellent value and performance for everyday home improvement and professional projects. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.